Welcome back to another hair tutorial featuring Megalookhair. Alright now, so let's get right into this video. So what my mom did was part my hair into two sections. While parting the back out, she left some hairs to cover the tracks. And what she did was molded my hair down with a cap, a weave cap, y'all. So she used some protecting gel so that when she glues the pieces of hair down, that they won't damage my real hair. So what she's using two 22 inches. So I did have two of the same bundles, and each one was 4 packs of hair. So I had two 22s and then I think two 20s. So these are the two 22s that she's using. You don't have to use a lot of hair. They come a very full pack, y'all. So be mindful, like you don't have to put too much hair on them in order for it to look like kind of realistic. So I've never seen nobody with this hairstyle before. So after she get done gluing the tracks all the way to the top, she's going to flat iron the back, and then that part is over with, y'all. It's so easy, so quick and simple to do. Look at this hair, y'all. Yes. So I don't really care for the ends on this hair. What my mom's gonna do is make it even. I love even cuts, y'all. It just makes the hair more bouncier. So she's going to cut this into an even, straight sleekness of just lust. Look at this hair. Like, man, damn, what the fuck? It's so cute. So yeah, now she's flat ironing it, and then we're gonna get started with the top portion of the hair. There's really no explanation for this part. You always see me do an extended ponytail. I do those all the time, y'all. So it's just basically the same thing in so many of the hair tutorials with ponytails. So if you want to see how or explained like how to do this, then I will definitely leave a link at this top of this video so that you can check that out. But yeah, we're gonna get right into the bubble. I honestly think the clip stopped recording when she started rubber banding the bubbles. So it's very simple. All you gotta do is get 2 rubber bands and start separating the hair until you get to the end, and then you spread the bubbles out each section that you rubber band, and that's it, y'all. Bubbles ponytails are so easy. They are killing the ponytail game, y'all. There's so many ways that you can do a ponytail, and it just seems so elegant when you wear a ponytail. It just something about a ponytail, it just brings the hair back and show your face. Like, I just love a ponytail. I stay wearing them, y'all. That's my go-to. Y'all already know. But thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out Megalook in the description bar below. I'm fumbling over my words, y'all. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next hair tutorial.